Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Yun, may sagot din. In behalf of Magsaysay Center for Hospitality and Culinary Arts to DSWD, salamat po for trusting us. We have the same KPI, tumulong din sa tao at gaya po sabi, lahat ng buhay ay mahalaga. In our own little and humble way, Mika helps indigents through giving them food in St. Vincent de Paul of Manila. Sa pamamagitan ng bawat isa at yung pong mga nabebentang mga mantika, plastic, bote, at yung po yung nagiging pera, pinakakain po namin yon. Kaso pagkakain isang beses, paano yung bukas? Paano naman yung kakainin bukas ulit? And we're finding ways kung paano kami magiging sustainable na makakatulong. And salamat sa DSWD dahil nilapitan nyo kami, and through you, we will now be able to train people at magkakaroon sila ng kaalaman, kabuhayan sa pamamagitan ng culinary, cookery, and bakery. Salamat po, DSWD. Salamat sa Diyos. Salamat po.
Represented by Chef Paulo Santino Guevara, the President, and then Ms. Jewel D. Evangelista, Admin and Support Manager.
Magsaysay Center for Hospitality and Culinary Arts, or MICA, headed by the President, Chief Paulo Santino Guevara. Magsaysay Center for Hospitality and Culinary Arts, or MICA, is a member of the Magsaysay Group of companies with 2 branches in Manila, 1 in Cebu, and 1 in Jakarta, Indonesia. Established in 2007, MICA has designed a unique learning system that involves 80% hands-on training and 20% classroom time lecture to maximize learning, to provide free skills training, to identify program participants through training voucher for TRESDA, which is included business and personality development.